Forget everything you know about campers. You're looking at a literal glitch in the Matrix, a two-story mansion on wheels that fits in a regular parking spot. Most people see the transformation and think that's it, but they're tripping. Hidden inside this 2026 beast are secret features that even hardcore RVers have never seen. We're talking a second-floor bathroom that defies physics and a VIP lounge that'll make a private jet look like economy class. Don't blink, because this double-decker transformer is about to change the game forever. Let's dive into the secrets that make this the most insane mobile home on the planet. Why settle for a cramped van when you could rock a duplex? This thing is under 6 meters long, so yeah, you can whip this around with just a regular license. But once that button is pressed, it's straight fire. We're going to expose every hidden corner, from the patented ghost plumbing to the smart sensors that keep this tower from crashing down. This isn't just a tour, it's a peek into 2027 living. Buckle up, the real magic starts now.
All right, let's talk stealth mode. Most two-story campers are massive 10-meter beasts that are a nightmare to park. But this is the ultimate cheat code. It's clocked at exactly 5.99 meters. That means you can slide this into a standard parking spot and drive it with a regular license. No commercial truck permits needed. It's the perfect city-to-campsite sleeper build. You're basically driving a maneuverable van that transforms into a fortress. But here's where the engineering gets insane. Most pop-ups use cheap tent fabric for the upper level, but not here. We're talking rigid insulated panels. It's like living in a soundproof vault. It locks the heat in and keeps the city noise out. And check this out. Hit one switch and the auto stabilizer legs deploy. It self-levels on any terrain. No wobbling, no tipping, just pure solid ground.
Step inside and boom, you're in a private jet. We're talking 4 massive Maybach-style captain's chairs wrapped in perforated leather that's softer than a cloud. These aren't just seats, they're your command center. Heating, massage, full recline, it's all here. And check the ceiling. Those parallel LED strips aren't just for show. They create an infinity roof vibe that makes this space feel twice as big. This is where the 1% comes to relax after a long drive. But here's the real kicker. Tucked away under the seat is a professional-grade JBL karaoke amplifier. Most campers give you a cheap Bluetooth speaker. This beast gives you a full-blown concert setup. Whether you're in the deep woods or parked by the beach, you've got the ultimate party hub. It's these low-key additions that make this RV an absolute vibe. Now, let's talk about the first bathroom. Yeah, I said first. Look at this smart macerator toilet. It's top-tier tech that grinds waste so you don't have to deal with the messy stuff. But wait, where's the shower? Watch this. Lift this wooden slatted floor and you've got a full-size shower tray hidden underneath. It's genius space saving that keeps your bathroom looking like a high-end spa when you're not using it. No clutter, just pure stealth luxury.
All right, grab your popcorn because we're heading to the main event. Climbing these solid wooden stairs feels like walking up to a luxury penthouse, not a camper van. Check out the step lighting. It's the little details that scream elite. And once you reach the top, welcome to the Sky Mansion. You're looking at a massive king-size bed with an orthopedic mattress that's bigger than what most people have in their actual apartments. With panoramic windows on both sides, waking up here in the mountains is a total main character moment. But here is the absolute game changer. You know the struggle. It's 3 a.m., you're cozy upstairs, and you gotta go. Usually that means a sketchy climb down the stairs in the dark. Not on our watch. This second floor has its own independent bathroom. Yeah, you heard me right. A toilet and a sink 5 meters in the air. How? The engineers patented a ghost plumbing system. Heavy-duty flexible hoses that extend and retract with the roof without a single drop of leakage. This is pure 2027 wizardry. It's private, it's genius, and it's a feature you won't find in 99% of the campers out there. This is the definition of no compromises.
Downstairs, the vibe shifts from a lounge to a full-blown modern apartment.
Most campers give you a tiny hot plate, but here we've got a massive dual-burner induction cooktop and a tall integrated wardrobe next to a deep stainless steel sink. It's built for real cooking, not just reheating snacks. And check this out, a full-size dual-chamber compressor fridge. We're talking weeks of fresh groceries, even if you're miles away from the nearest grocery store. This isn't camping, it's living without compromises. But how do you run an AC, a washing machine, and a fridge at the same time? Here's the secret powerhouse, a massive 20 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank. This beast charges from the engine, plug-ins, and the massive solar array on the roof. You can literally disappear into the mountains for weeks and never run out of juice. It's total energy independence, your own private power grid on 4 wheels. The tech is insane, but we haven't even talked about the outdoor dream setup. You're about to see this RV literally double in size with one touch. And the best part, I'm going to show you exactly how this 5-meter tower packs back down into a compact van in seconds. Stick around for the final transformation. It's the most satisfying thing you'll see all day.
And now, the moment of truth. Our stay at the campsite is over, and it's time to hit the road. One press of a button, and the magic happens in reverse. Watch as this 5-meter tower silently collapses back into a compact, aerodynamic road warrior. But here's the real secret. These intelligent sensors are constantly scanning. If a tree branch or even a stray bag gets in the way, the system stops instantly. It's not just cool, it's foolproof. In less than 2 minutes, your mansion on wheels is ready to dominate the highway again. The Feishang RV has officially shattered the limits of what a camper can be. No more compromises between space and maneuverability. But yo, I gotta know, with all these hidden features and 2026 tech, what's the price tag? Do you think this beast is worth over $1 crore? Drop your guesses in the comments below. If you want to see more mind-blowing RV tours that look like they're from the future, smash that like button and subscribe to Inside Luxury Campers. See you on the next adventure. Keep living large.